Y'all, I told myself 2026 I won't be doing this. I told myself 2026 I will not be buying more hair products. And here we are. The beginning of the year. In this very first month of the year. What did I do? What you might ask? What have I done? Well, let me tell you what I have done. I bought more hair products. Like, I gotta be honest, I got self-control, but at the same time, if I see something I want it, I'm gonna go. If I see something I want, I'm gonna go with it. So, yeah. Maybe next year. Maybe. Okay. Let's get into this. So I ordered from AsIAm. This is all AsIAm. I caught a decent sale and got all these products for the low. Could I have passed that up? Yeah. Did I want to? No. Will they probably have another sale like this? Maybe. But can't really bet too much on time, you know? So anyway, let's get into it. So the first one that I got is the whole collection for the onion. So this is the onion water. I'm gonna set that to the side. This is the onion conditioner. And this is, oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the onion shampoo. And then we have the onion conditioner. So that's that first round of that collection. And then I heard so much positivity about the Bond collection. So I went ahead and got the Bond collection. The Bond. Same thing with this. I got the Bond water. And I got the Bond shampoo. And then I got the Bond conditioner. So that's the second set of collections. So the third collection I got was the rice water. And once again, 3 for 3, I got the rice water. I got the rice water shampoo. And then I got the rice water conditioner. I don't know if you guys can really see, but yeah. And they gave me some samples, a little bit of samples. Along with it, some more from the rice water. So same, little extra same. But yeah. So I wanted to try all collections. I will be doing some upcoming content, kind of giving you guys how I feel about the products, how the products handled for my hair and all. you know, the same old good stuff. And my hair dries up fast, so I most definitely needed to get these sprays. I'm glad I got those because my hair gets dry so fast. So we're gonna have her nice and moisturized, and I don't know, it's just nice to have the whole collection. So that's why I grabbed the shampoos and the conditioners. So yeah, I'm excited for that. But I will say, I'm big on scents. I'm big on scents. It matters what's going in my head. It matters. And quite frankly, I already had the rice water. She's okay. It's not like a big deal with the scent. I'll say it's pretty light scented. The bomb smells so good. So good. That smells so good. I already know I'm gonna love it. I already know I'm gonna love it. So the last collection, the onion. Oh, that onion. I don't like the smell. It does a little tangy. It's a little tangy. It's a little tang. I like to eat sour, lemony, pickles and stuff, but smelling that in my head, I don't know. But I do know that onions is good for the scalp. So gotta do what I gotta do. Gotta do. It's not like that terrible that you just absolutely can't. If you like citrus, lemony, it's more for you. But as for me, not a big fan, but I will be putting use to these products because, baby, time is money, money is time. So I'm gonna get my money's worth. I'm gonna get my money's worth. So we're gonna get into all this. So one more time. These are my ladies, the shampoos. These are my other ladies, the conditioners. And these are the last ladies, the big mamas, the big three. So we're gonna get into this. But like I said, many more to come. Always much love, much kisses. Mwah. Mwah. Bye.